Hey friends, if I were starting my polymer clay earring business from scratch, especially as a creative over 50, here's exactly what I would do to get going, to build confidence and start making money doing what I love. Hi, my name is Wendy Varner of Wendy Varner Designs. I'm a small batch polymer clay earring artist here in Charlotte, North Carolina. For the past few years, I've been running an online store, popping up at local vendor events, and hosting workshops, all while creating pieces that hopefully bring people joy and self-expression. And oh yes, I made the earrings that I'm wearing right now. You can grab a pair for yourself or as a gift over on my website. The link is in the description below. Now, you're over 50. I'm over 60, ready to explore your creativity, or maybe you're looking for a retirement side hustle that actually feels fun. Well, this one's for you. Here's what I would not do. Let's start with this. I would not wait to feel ready. No, I wouldn't go out and buy fancy tools, high-end lighting, or even start an Etsy or build a website right away. I keep things super simple. Why? Because clarity comes from action, not overthinking. When I first started, I tried to make everything perfect. I spent too long tweaking logos, working on website, and not enough time making earrings that brought me joy. If I were starting again, I'd grab my clay, basic tools, and start creating, even if things weren't perfect yet. So let's talk about the power of a niche. Your story is your niche. You don't need to be the best clay artist. You just need to be real and relatable. And as a creative over 50, you already have what younger artists don't: life experience, wisdom, and perspective. And that's magnetic. Ask yourself, who do you want to wear your earrings? Are they bold? Are they minimal? Are they for nature lovers? Maybe grandmas with an edge like me? I'd choose a niche that reflects my personality and values and then design with them in mind. Now, let's talk about building a simple sales system. Forget Etsy or a website at first. I'd start selling to my existing network. Here's what I would do. Make 10 to 15 pairs I love. Take natural light photos with my phone. Post them on Facebook and Instagram and say, hey friends, I've been working on something new. Here's a few pieces I just finished. DM me if you'd like a pair. That's it. You don't need a full shop to sell your first pieces. I'd also make sure to start building my email list early. If you haven't already, join my monthly newsletter. It's where I share early access to new designs, workshops, and behind-the-scenes goodies. You can find the link in the description below. Here's what I would do next. Go local. If I were just starting, I'd find one local maker market, sign up for a small table, and get feedback in person. You learn so much from just watching how people react to your work, what they're drawn to, what they pick up, what they don't, and it builds confidence so fast. And here's a bonus tip. Bring a mirror. People love trying on earrings and seeing what they look like on them. So what's next? Creating content that connects. And I know what you think I'm going to say next, but you might be surprised. I'd start a YouTube channel. I would not focus on Instagram reels or stories, not to be perfect, but to connect. You don't need fancy equipment. I use my iPhone. Just share, come pack an order with me, or how I design earrings at 60 years old, what I wish I knew before selling at my first craft fair or market. People want to hear from people like them. That's your secret sauce. So if I were starting today, I'd start small. I'd start messy, but I'd start with intention, because this isn't just a business, it's joy with a purpose. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos, workshops, and behind the scenes finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.